Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students of class 9, this is our second lecture on unit number 5, that is Daffodils, a poem written by William Wordsworth, and this is your lecture number 2. Okay, in this lecture we will discuss the theme of this poem, Daffodils. So I will read for you this theme of the poem and you will note it on your notebooks. Okay, now listen. We probably have some moments in our life that we replay in our memory. There are some moments, some scenes, some events that we often recall in our memory, and those events or those moments have great impact on our memory. In this poem, William Wordsworth captures both the images and feelings. So he has drawn in this poem two things, images and feelings concerned with special moment in his life, that are connected with a special moment in his life. The poem is a tribute. This is a praise, एक खराज तहसीन है या एक तरह की तारीफ है to nature and its manifestations. Manifestation mean show, or you can say display, the display of nature in all its glory. मतलब नेचर अपनी पूरी शान शौकत के साथ, पूरी ग्लोरी के साथ नेचर के शो को, उसके जो हकीकत है, उसके इजहार है, वो किया गया है और नेचर को ट्राइब्यूट पेश किया गया है, उसकी तारीफ की गई है, खराज तहसीन पेश किया गया है. It beautifully presents before us, this poem beautifully presents before us not only the attractive and exciting beauty of nature, but also the purifying and enduring impact of it on human being. Purifying impact means the refined impact or refreshing impact, such kind of impact that refresh the nature of human being. And it has also enduring impact. Enduring impact means long-lasting impact, durable, permanent, or persisting impact on the human being. So this is the theme of this poem. Now come to the summary of this poem. Summary of Daffodils. Summary is a little long than a theme. It has some details about the poem. Now listen, and after that you will also write this summary on your notebooks. Okay? Daffodils is a charming and fascinating poem. A charming poem, attractive poem, and fascinating, enchanting poem, or enchanting poem. It means attractive. Charming and fascinating, almost they have same meanings. Attractive poem written by William Wordsworth. In this poem, the poet praises the beautiful objects of nature like breeze, waves, and daffodils. One day, the poet was wandering alone. He was walking here and there alone along the side of a lake in a countryside. Suddenly, he saw a large number of golden daffodils. These flowers were growing beside the lake, dancing in the breeze and stretching like the stars in the Milky Way. The waves of the lake were also dancing with joy, but the daffodils surpassed them. Surpassed them means outdid them, defeated them in making dance. The poet was much delighted to see this beautiful scene. Much delighted, he was very much happy to see this beautiful scene. In the end of the poem, The poet says that whenever he is in a thoughtful mood, the sight of the daffodils comes into his imagination, into his memory, into his mind, and his heart is filled with pleasure, with happiness. Thus, a thing of beauty is a joy forever. This was a summary of this poem. You will write the summary. Now here are two exercises for you. You will do these exercises on your notebooks. Simple exercises. First one is answer the following questions. Number one, how do you compare the daffodils with the stars? You will write the comparison that has been made in the poem by the poet. You will write that comparison between stars and daffodils. Okay, number two, how does the poet feel in the company of daffodils? You will write his feelings when he is in the company of daffodils. Number three, what wealth do memories of the scene give to the poet? When he says that this memory, this scene has brought a great wealth to me, which type of wealth is this? You will explain this wealth in your own words. Next is write the rhyming words used in the poem. Number 5. How did daffodils outdo the waves? How did they surpass the waves? Okay, you will write the answer of these 5 questions. Now exercise number 2. Make useful sentences of the following words. First one is wander, lonely, float, flutter, stretched, margin, sprightly, jocund, pensive mood, and solitude. Okay, this was the end of this chapter. Next we will start chapter number 6. Okay, thank you.